Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the HWM YouTube channel. Now today we have a fantastic treat in our studio, the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Now I should start off by saying a huge thank you to the owners of this car who have allowed us to share it with you today. And so to the front of the car, we have to talk about this wiper arm because first of all, this nearly stopped the project. So when Aston Martin and Adrian Newey designed this incredibly curved front screen, they went out to the usual suppliers in terms of wiper systems, and there was nobody who had a solution. It looked like it simply couldn't be done. And that was until they found a company called FlexSys, who are based in the States. They have designed all sorts of things, amongst them the wiper for the space shuttle. Now, even FlexSys didn't have an off-the-shelf solution, but they were keen to find a way through. And so through their efforts, they approached the project and they were given 4.5 kilos as the allocated weight for this wiper system. And through painful efforts, constant trial and error, they finally came up with a solution, and it is the most complex wiper arm ever fitted to a road car. And sorry for the repeating ever fitted to a road car phrases, but it's repeat all the way through the vehicle. There are so many firsts, but this is the most complex system. It's also the lightest. So instead of being 4.5 kilos that they were allocated, it came in at 2.1, and it uses a torsion bar to twist its way around the screen. And of course, this has got to be operational at over 200 miles an hour. So it's a fantastic piece of engineering. And this might actually dictate how we see road cars formed in the future, because other manufacturers will now be looking at this system and thinking, well, does this change how we design a screen and cabin for their cars moving forward? So this wiper could be really influential in the way that cars are created moving forwards.